Jelani just started his stuff. What the fuck? Oh my god. What's another thing to stress about, right? Whatever. I bought tickets to the Light Lantern Festival at the zoo tonight, and we're going. Like, I had to hurry. I had to delete some stuff because I have not been vlogging. I vlog off of my phone, y'all. So I am starting from the fucking... Sorry, I said I'm not gonna cuss. It's hard, man. But I am starting from the bottom, like, so I'm vlogging off my phone. So that means, like, I gotta keep up with storage and stuff like that. And I be running out of storage. Like, I be consistently having to, like, delete stuff. I can't keep, like, videos on my phone and stuff like that. Like, you know, I just gotta, like, delete, edit, post, delete, edit, post, and do it like that or whatever. So I really have not been, like, vlogging. And on top of that, y'all, so much stuff has been going on. So that's another reason why I booked the tickets to go tonight. Because honestly, like, I really been stressed out. As y'all can see, I'm in a rental. My car was basically totaled. Someone hit my car. Yes, somebody hit my car, and this is a long, big old story. Just don't let nobody use y'all shit. Just don't ever. You know how they say, don't ever let somebody move in with you. Don't ever let nobody drive your fucking car. That's just period. But anyways, my car is totaled, and I have no car, so I'll have to return this rental on Monday or whatever. And then, like, now we have to start the whole process of me, you know, getting a car and stuff like that. And now I don't have no car note or car insurance, so I don't know if that's kind of like it's a blessing in disguise. So that's why I'm really not so mad, because shit do happen or whatever. Jelani's about to start his shit. I could just tell he's about to start his stuff. So yes, long story short, I've been stressed out since vacation. Well, it was going good. The first week of we came back from vacation, everything was cool, it was breezy. And then, like, it just seemed like me and Babe, you know, relationship problems and stuff like that, us not seeing eye to eye, really not seeing eye to eye. We're good now. Like, we always go through, like, that little, you know, growing pain phase where we go through our little shit, and then, you know, we get over it, we talk it out, we discuss it, we learn from it, and we move on. But nevertheless, it's been stressful. Like, it's just like when you're going through it with your significant other, and y'all both living in the same house, and y'all both just pissed off at each other, I don't like that feeling. I don't like that feeling, like, at all. I don't like to be beefing with my man. So yes, we've been going through it. We're fine. We're good now. Like, and then my car got totaled, and then on top of that, like, me just figuring out what I want to do financially with myself. Like, being a mom is cool and all, but just sitting and chilling, like, time is money. Like, time is money. And if you got a lot of free time, that's a lot of free time that you could be spending on ways to make money. Jelani's about to start his stuff. But yeah, so basically I bought tickets to this Light Lantern Festival at the zoo. We're gonna go tonight. Right now I gotta go get the rest of the stuff out of my car and go kiss my baby goodbye. Y'all, Bianca is done. Like, Bianca Bullet is really about to get put to rest, and I'm really feeling some type of way about it. Like, I'm really feeling some type of way. So I gotta go kiss her goodbye, get the rest of the stuff out my car, and then by then Bae will be off, and then we're gonna start getting ready to get something to eat. And then I hate that. I hate when people be talking and they got, like, I hate that. Yes, I'm glad I caught it. Yeah, I'm glad I caught that, because if I would have made this video and I would have been editing it and I had white shit on my lips, I'd have been so fucking pissed. Like, I'd have been so fucking pissed. But anyways, yes, I'm about to go kiss Bianca Bullet goodbye, and then we're gonna come back. Bae will be off. We're gonna get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to the Light Lantern Festival. Bye, y'all. Y'all already know. Nobody is even talking to you, booty head. We're talking to this crazy. All right, y'all. Bye. I would grow a whole ass pimple when I want to start vlogging again. That, you know, what's another thing to stress about, right? Whatever. These are the best slushies. Like, I love slushies, milkshakes, smoothies, all of that. Like frappes, I love it all. And this is the best, the Baja Mountain Dew slushie freezer. Look what the fuck. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look what they did to my baby. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna say my goodbye that I need. I had some, like, you see them little plants back there. And this, I had some little props from a photo shoot I wanted to do with Jelani. I bought that shit like a couple months ago. And then it was some summer shoes, his seat, and then our Juneteenth sign. And that's really it. Like, that was all I wanted to get out. And this is ending to the part of my life. It kind of makes me want to cry, honestly, because getting rid of an old car is really like bittersweet. I only had her for like 2 years, 3 actually. I got her in 2019. This is crazy. Let me make sure I'm not forgetting anything. No. And that's it, y'all. Wow. Bye, Bianca. This shit really freaks me out. Wow. Wow, wow. Look.
I got the rear view camera.
Okay, so we made it to the zoo. Oh, after waiting for Jalen for like...
You waited for me for 15 minutes.
He was just sitting in the car like we ain't had nowhere to be.
Oh, I was doing something.
But we here. Y'all can see this big old... You see that? The entrance? I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, Lonnie's sitting like a big boy today. He don't like being in his car seat no more and being pushed. So he made it to the zoo. This is about to be so freaking... I should have brought my camera. Wow, how did I forget?
You was gonna bring your camera and then you was gonna fucking take videos on your phone all day and have a camera in your hand.
No, because they got like these... I'm going to show y'all. I ain't bring no tripod or nothing. Oh, babe, you should have took a picture of us at the bottom. Huh? Oh, yeah. Yo, we just pushed these we just pushed these strollers up this thing. All right, let me get our tickets out. Wow. Huh? Okay. I hate that we be having to take elevators and stuff. Okay. It said this is the nine-tailed fox. Nine-tailed fox is a mythical animal in the ancient Chinese legends. It is often used to symbolize good fortune. However, the nine-tailed fox was demonized in the early Northern Song dynasty, referred to as Kuminho in Korea. Yeah, it is. I think me and Jalen be enjoying stuff more than JJ do. I forgot. got to get that one back there because I was study taking pictures and that might be the best one. I didn't even record, I didn't vlog it because I was too busy trying to take pictures. But we're gonna come back out. And that's probably the best one. Huh? I mean, I'm just flying, huh? Because they ain't as colorful. But they all got like little animals and they tell like their stories. But like we ain't got time to sit and read them.
Grandma and I are both dogs. How about that?
I should have got that dragon when we get out. It's so fucking retarded, man. I'm really about to start running ankles over. Aww. What is Jelani doing? You like it, Lord? Huh? Yes. Shauna would love this. You know that? Ooh, you smell the animals. No, I'm talking about over there. Those are lanterns. Oh, I should have brought my camera, man. I don't think the animals out. You can smell them things. You so pressed to see if any animals out. I think I see so I just don't know what it is. It's a Komodo dragon. Oh, that's not, I don't think it's that big. The python. Want to take a picture? This one is the Lion King. Yo, everything is just making me wish I brought my camera, man. He is so desperate to see if these animals is out, and they not. Cause you see two people coming down, you think it's over? Hello.
Hi.
Oh, hi. What is this?
I'm Mulan, and I'm here for
Yes.
pictures.
Oh.
Yeah.
Y'all, we just ran into Milan down there. I should have worn my crop top instead of put this on. Cause I'm hot.
Tank top.
It's flat.
Ooh. AKA deers with horns.
AKA elk. And looks like an elk too.
Did he leave Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we'll make sure. Yeah. Wow, look at that.
JJ. He sure don't. Jelani just started his stuff. Okay. Oh, look at the elephant. Huh? What?
Let me see if
Look at the elephant, Lonnie.
I'm too busy looking at you.
Look.
Okay, let's get out of here.
You see it, Lonnie? Take them to see the flower. Right there. You see it, JJ? This is nice. Wait, babe, look. This is so nice. Okay. Come on. Wait, babe, look down there. He's like, every time you look. Go ahead, sir. Aww.
Puddle boy. Are you ready to just walk on it? Can you walk on it? Be gentle. Walk and be gentle. Do not jump right. Let's walk it. I know, but do you want to go pee?
Yeah, remember that peacock that was pushed back and it was all green? And I'm like, I know that ain't just it. Oh. He said, very nice. Now let's go. Oh.
These are like pink. Actually, the purple that way.
Oh, you want to sit down with the kids and look? Okay.
I have seen it.
JJ, he don't want you in his face. Oh, it goes back down. Oh. Jelani over it. I think you over it too, babe.
Over it like a... my leg already hurt when I came. That's awesome.
Oh, they have bubbles. JJ, go ahead.
I have a bad feeling about touching
My kids, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. Rear. Rear.
Maybe.
Good balance.
Oh, I'm surprised. Mm. We got a little show going on. A little show going on over there. This is really nice. Oh, they got the little step things over there. Go ahead, babe. You want some? Oh, that's the end part right there, babe. Go ahead. And we reach. I think this is the end. Oh, Lord. I lost like 5 pounds. Woo. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Back and body a little bit. Anytime, I'm about to say next time schedule for Friday, but you can't help what they are scheduling. They doing it tomorrow?
It's until October, till the end. All right, y'all. This is the big dragon, and I wanted y'all to see. We's tired. We is tired.
Oh.
Oh. Okay.
What is that?
My phone done died. I had to stop and feed Jelani. He done acted up. JJ done acted up. Bay done acted up. But yeah, we done. Y'all, this is sorry. This was a lot. His beats off, man. He had work today. That's the end. Did a formal outro for yesterday, but y'all, we had a really nice time. Well, me and Bay had a really nice time up until his legs started hurting, and he kept saying, why didn't you schedule it for today, Friday? Why would you schedule it on a work day? Because you know he's a he already does a lot of running around for work, so he started to get annoyed after his legs started hurting. But nevertheless, we had a good time. He enjoyed it, the kids enjoyed it, definitely JJ. But I'm about to start my day. I just wanted to do this outro because tonight I'll be editing this vlog, and I'm like, I forgot to do an outro last night. Like, we literally ate and then we all went to bed. So yes, if y'all do, if the Asian Light Lantern do come to y'all city, definitely take y'all kids there. It was really, it was more than what I expected it to be. Yo, thank y'all for watching, and yes, make sure y'all come back for another motherfucking vlog. Thank you.